partner ni Asrod.
Okay.
Yung anak. Ang gagawa na sa akin.
Chai party.
Lyra, what's yours?
You first.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. So mine is. Oh, I think this is very delicious. Arroz caldo. Oh my god, it's a chicken ginger garlic with egg. Or I think it's very delicious. Champurrado. It's 61% dark French chocolate with Coventure soft whipped cream. Oh my god, I like
Oh
it.
my god, I like
Yeah.
it too.
Or you like Tosino?
Yeah, to say no.
Yeah, it's a pineapple with honey color. Tosino. Oh my god. Ito, I like this. Lasag na. Bolognese. Ito. Uy, apply mo. Si Max.
Okay, cheers.
May jowa ka na.
Wala.
Bagay ko sa'yo. Baby mix ko yan sa...
Oh, sana all.
Ito parang cute to. Ano to? Brioche.
Brioche fresh toast.
Parang nabobo tayo
Akala ko
dito,
naman.
babe.
Yung ano mo nga, pinaano
Parang
na
palito.
namin. Isip ko na, kami ni Crescent yan.
Ano to?
Eh, daw
I
mag-ano
think it's like
yung
granola and Greek yogurt.
Yung sa coffee.
Granada
Ito.
patawag.
Yung